Today I would like to show you how to install IntelliJ and how to start writing your first Scala program through IntelliJ IDE. So let's get started. For downloading IntelliJ, you can go to your Google and write IntelliJ download, and among the first link you can download IntelliJ IDE. I click on it from jetbrains.com. And you can see that there is an Ultimate Edition and there is a Community Edition. For the Community Edition, it's open source and you can download it and use it for free. I click download. I click through the downloaded file and continue with the default installation. So click next. Here I continue with the suggested path, C program files, and click next. I would like to add IntelliJ to my path, and then I select Java and Groovy. I don't want to create a desktop shortcut, and yeah, I will continue with this setting next, and I just hit install. You're required to reboot your system. I click reboot now and hit finish. Okay, now that I have installed IntelliJ, I open the IDE and you can see this screen. I don't want to import any settings and I click OK. Now you can see this screen and you can see that you can create a new project, you can open an existing project, or for example here you can see all your projects if exist any, and also there is a possibility for customizing it. Like the color theme and the font which you like to use, and here you can install plugins. So I would like to show you a Scala, so we require to install Scala plugins. I hit install. Now that the installation of Scala is finished, I restart IDE. Okay, now that the IDE is restarted, I would like to create a new project. I click on new project. Here we would like to create a Scala project, so I click on Scala and you need to click on idea and then you click next. So here in this step you can select the path in which you would like to save your project. You can also select a name for your project, like for example I would like to write first Scala program. If you have not installed the JDK, you can just hit download JDK here and it will download it for you. I have already installed the Oracle JDK version 17.0.2 and I'm good to go. However, if you don't have the JDK, you can just download JDK. You need to also create a Scala SDK here. You can click create and you can click download. Click OK, the current version, and then your Scala SDK is also selected, first Scala program, and I click finish. Your Scala IDE restarts. You can see a couple of tips, but for now I'm just closing them. And here I would like to create a class. For creating your first program, you're required to click on the source, and I just right click and I would like to select a Scala class. I can see the Scala class here, however some of you may not see the Scala class, so you can go to the project and just right click and there should be add framework support here, and you can click on the add framework support and then this new Scala class will appear for you. Here I click on Scala class. I would like to select an object here. I would like to name the object like test program and just enter. You can see that this object is created for you. If you would like to run a Scala program, you need to write extends app. This is a way of like defining a program and you can basically run this Scala program. So for writing your first Scala code, you can write println and then like my first program, and you can just run it, run test program. takes a few seconds to finish the compiling for the first time. And you can see that my first program appears in the console. You can write other programs, like you can write a function here, def like plus func. Function can receive a double and another double, and it can return also a double, and the definition is like x plus y. And here I also call the function with the value of 5.6 and 6.4. so if I write this, you can also run it. Oh, I didn't write println. I can just write println, and now I can run the test program. You can use Ctrl Shift F10. I use Ctrl Shift F10 to run the program, and here you can see 12. Okay, we managed to install the IntelliJ IDE and write our first Scala program. The IntelliJ IDE has a lot of functionalities and it's pretty suitable for writing Scala programs. And you can create an object extends app, and basically inside the extends app you can write your own functions and your classes and so on. I hope you have enjoyed this video so far. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you next time.